Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The president of the 10th Nigerian Senate, Senator Godswill Akpabio, has hailed the doggedness and contributions of members of the Third Republic House of Representatives to Nigeria's evolving democracy. The Senate president, who was represented at an event organized by the Third Republic House of Representative Members Forum to commemorate the 30th anniversary of the dissolution of their tenure in 1993, said the 10th Senate will make a case for the entitlements of the dissolved parliamentarians.
The Third Nigerian Republic Legislature, made up of 91 senators and 593 Federal House of Representatives members, was sacked by General Sani Abacha-led military regime on the 17th of November 1993, 11 months after its inauguration by the former military president, General Ibrahim Babangida, in December 1992. In a recent event organized in Abuja by the members of the defunct Federal House of Representatives, in commemoration of their dissolution 30 years ago, the Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, who was represented by Senator Jimo Ibrahim, lauded their commitment to the development of democracy in the country, while noting that the 10th Senate would pursue the compensation of the deposed legislators.
I will go straight to the floor of the Senate, the 10th Senate, to move a motion that the executive should be, as a matter of national priority and urgency, all the entitlements of our colleagues.
Member of the Third Republic Federal House of Representatives and a ranking member of the 10th House of Representatives, Honorable Fred Agbedi, who is representing Ekeremo-Sagbama Federal Constituency in Bayelsa State, described their short stay at the Green Chamber in the Third Republic as a remarkable journey.
These are the victims of the Third Republic, and honestly, over these 30 years, they have passed through thick and thin and have been able to survive the political terrain up till today. Today, as we speak, the president was also one of the members of the Third Republic in Abuja, here in the Third Republic. Some have become governors, some have become so many other things.
The Third Republic Federal House of Representative Members Forum, with 346 surviving members out of the initial 593 members, was conceived out of the need for the members to keep in touch with each other, as well as push for their rights and privileges.
Inside the Niger Delta,